Is it good? What am I saying? What am I saying? Gets to choose from one of these books. Am I saying this correctly? As long as I look good. I don't care what you say. I don't care what you're talking about. You look amazing. Smile and wave. Blah, blah, blah. Do I take my pants off?
No! Thank you for 20K.
Okay, I got this. I say giveaway.
When I tell you this man is scrump-dilly-icious.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Who would have been the next winner? Oh wait, was I supposed to click remove?